Hi, I'm Jon Lovett. I'm the cosmetologist, I guess you could call me that. I fix and paint damages that happen to the vans. This van here, I'm fixing a small dent on it, but with all these nice vans here, it's invariable that something bad is happening sometimes. And of course, if you're a customer, you realize that when you're driving these around. If something happens to your van and you bring it here, I will meet with you, I'll counsel you on how we're going to repair it, what I'm going to do, how you would like to see it done. If you've got some input, I will certainly listen. I'll tell you why I'm doing what I'm doing. And any time along the way, you can come and see it. We're not hiding anything. We work with, our guys in the front work with all the insurance companies, and certainly we can work with you. We can do little door dings, we can do scratches, we can do collision repairs. If you have a van, say it gets crashed, and you want to upgrade it to aftermarket bumpers or some other things, as a result of the crash, you want to step out and do that, we can handle that as well. We can take care of everything.